So what is low back pain? Most of us in our life will have low back pain, or is having back pain, or have ever had back pain. So most of us will suffer from back pain in their life. So what are the causes of low back pain and how it is treated? Few causes of muscular back pain which I would like to classify into 5 different categories. First is lack of exercise. Usually people who are having weak back or weak muscles, they don't exercise regularly and can cause back pain. Second is lifestyle. Whenever they have a lifestyle where they have to sit for very long, where they have to perform activities while sitting down, or if they don't have a proper posture, which is lifestyle related. If they don't have a proper eating habits, it is lifestyle related problem. Third is majority of people have vitamin deficiencies, which also leads to muscular low back pain. Fourth is if they do any unaccustomed work which they are not used to, like lifting heavy objects which they are not used to, or lifting weights in the gym, or for that matter sleeping on a different mattress which they are not used to, can lead to low back pain. And last and a major problem nowadays is stress. Too much of stress, anxiety can also lead to muscular low back pain. So these are the 5 major causes of muscular low back pain. How is low back pain treated? So we at One Spine, first we ask the history of patient, evaluate the patient for the back pain. We try to find out why the pain and where the pain has come from, and accordingly then we send them to our physios which are trained, and we give them protocol wise or protocol based system where we have different physiotherapies for different kind of problems and different origin of back pain. So we give a holistic approach to back pain here in One Spine.